Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can contact Discord support. So first of all, what you will need to do is head over to a browser. So for me, I will just head over to Safari right here. There is now an option if you write in Discord support. You can then click on submit a request right here. So once you click on submit a request, you can then click on this drop down menu to, choose which one they can help you with. So for example, if you've got an hacked account, what you can do is click on hacked account. You can then enter in your email address, your username, and all of your information that is associated with your Discord. Once you have entered in your email address and your username, you can come down to suspicion of how you believe the account was compromised. So click on the drop down menu and then you can choose one that is most relevant to your situation. So for example, if you clicked on a link and you think that link did obviously lead to you being hacked, you can then click on I clicked on a link. Then you can go to did you receive an email from Discord explaining your accounts associated with email address was recently changed. Click on the drop down menu and choose whichever one you need to choose. So for me, I will just click on yes. And then as you can see, you will now need to enter in a subject and a sort of little description just explaining what has happened to your Discord account. So something very simple and straight to the point like this will do. So you can put in something like clicked on a link and my password was then changed and then I was therefore locked out of my account. You can add any attachments of your account or anything that will obviously back up your claim that your account has been hacked. Add a file right here from obviously your computer files, and then once you have done that, you can click on the submit button. Once you do that, what they will do is they will obviously get back to you via email, and then once they do that, they should be able to recover any account that has been hacked if you've obviously given them enough information. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.